My name is Modeste again. I'm going to show you how to put a password on your Word document. I think a password can be added to a new or an existing one, but I'm going to show you how to put it on a new document or a new Word file. Okay, let me start. Here you have to start a new Word file. Okay, then start typing your things, but let me say hello, my name is MK. I'm going to show you how to put a password on your new or existing Word file or a document. Okay, let me go to save, then save it as, let me save it on a desktop. After, let me choose desktop, then the file name, let me call it password 1. Okay, then what I have to do, I will not click on save without looking here on tools. Here there is a downward arrow, then let me click on it, then general option, then the display table which contain two kinds of password. We have a password to open and a password to modify. Let me choose the same password, like let me choose the easy one, but you have to choose the strongest one in order to protect your document. Let me say 123 123. Okay, then they ask me to confirm. In order to confirm our password, we have to re-enter the first password and the second one, and you know that the first one is the password to open and the second one is the password to modify. Okay, let me choose, no, I use the first one. I'm going to use the first ones. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, after pressing OK, the password is there, location is here, then let me go to this save. Okay, then my document is ready, or my file is ready. Then what you have to do in order to see if the password was set, let me close this file, then let me go to open it again. Okay, let me open it. Wow, the password was set. Then let me put the password which was selected. Let me use 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, My document is ready. Okay, thank you for watching. And do not forget to subscribe. Okay, I love you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Okay.